Welcome back to Digital Dollar. If you're looking to build a profitable online store, you've come to the right place. Here on Digital Dollar, we're all about helping you master online marketing and build sustainable income streams. We cover topics like e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online business strategies, and so much more to help you achieve financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 e-commerce strategies that can help you maximize your revenue and grow your business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your existing store, these tips will set you on the path to success. Let's get started. 1. Optimize your website for user experience, UX. Your website's design and usability play a significant role in converting visitors into customers. Start by ensuring fast load times, mobile responsiveness, and easy navigation. Implement clear call-to-action CTA buttons and reduce clutter. A seamless user experience keeps customers coming back. To take it further, conduct usability testing to find pain points and resolve them. Consider integrating a chatbot to assist visitors instantly, reducing the chances of them leaving your site without purchasing. Regularly update your website's content to keep it fresh and relevant, which also positively impacts your SEO. 2. Master SEO for organic traffic search engine optimization. SEO is crucial for driving organic traffic to your store. Focus on keyword optimization in product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. Create informative blog posts that target long-tail keywords related to your niche. An SEO-friendly website improves your visibility and attracts potential buyers. Don't forget about image optimization. Use descriptive alt text and compress images to maintain site speed. Additionally, building backlinks from reputable sites can significantly boost your search ranking. Regularly monitor your SEO performance and update your content based on the latest trends. 3. Utilize social media marketing. Social media platforms are powerful tools for e-commerce promotion. Create engaging content that showcases your products, such as videos, customer testimonials, and behind-the-scenes clips. Collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. Consistency is key. Post regularly and interact with your audience. Experiment with different formats like stories, reels, and polls to keep followers engaged. Consider running paid social media ads to target a specific audience based on demographics and interests. Also, monitor your social media insights to understand what content resonates the most. 4. Implement email marketing campaigns. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective ways to keep customers engaged. Offer incentives like discounts or freebies in exchange for newsletter signups. Segment your email list based on customer behavior and preferences to send personalized offers. Automated follow-up emails can boost repeat purchases. Use A/B testing to optimize subject lines and content for higher open and click-through rates. Highlight customer success stories or showcase new arrivals in your emails to build excitement. Consider using a loyalty program to encourage repeat purchases. 5. Offer multiple payment options. The more payment methods you accept, the easier it is for customers to complete their purchases. Include popular methods like credit debit cards, PayPal, and digital wallets. A smooth checkout process reduces cart abandonment and increases sales. Additionally, offer installment plans or buy now, pay later options to accommodate customers with varying budget preferences. Always ensure secure payment gateways to build customer trust. Keep your checkout page simple and transparent to avoid losing potential buyers. 6. Leverage data analytics. Use data analytics to track customer behavior, sales trends, and marketing effectiveness. Tools like Google Analytics can provide valuable insights into what's working and what needs improvement. Regularly analyze this data to make informed business decisions. Go deeper by tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as conversion rates, average order value, and customer retention. Use this data to fine-tune your marketing strategies and product offerings. Additionally, use analytics to test new strategies and compare the results. 7. Prioritize customer service. Great customer service builds brand loyalty. Implement live chat, offer easy returns, and respond to inquiries promptly. Happy customers are more likely to recommend your store and become repeat buyers. Use customer feedback to improve your offerings and address any recurring issues. Offer loyalty programs to reward repeat customers, encouraging them to choose your store over competitors. Make sure to follow up after purchases to ensure customer satisfaction and address any issues. And there you have it, 7 powerful e-commerce strategies to help you build a profitable online store. Applying these techniques consistently will put you on the path to long-term success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Digital Dollar. Let me know in the comments which strategy you'll be trying out first. See you in the next video.